My name is MICHAELA DePRINCE. My original name is Mabinti Bangura, and I was born in Sierra Leone, West Africa in 1995. 4 years after the bloody civil war, it would cause thousands of women and children to be raped, and over 50,000 people would be killed. My parents were among them. My uncle took me to the orphanage, knowing that he could never get a good price for me as a bride, and never came back for me. There were 27 kids in the orphanage. Number 1 got the biggest portion of food and the first choice of clothes. Number 27 got the smallest portion of food and the last choice of clothes. I was number 27. Every day in the orphanage, I was starving. I made a friend in the orphanage. Her name was Mabinti Suma. Number 26 was always in ill health, always sick, but she always had a kind heart, and she was always good to fold chair. Number 26 would always listen to all my fears and all my dreams. Whenever I was scared, she would sing to me. And number 26 is still doing that 15 years later as my sister Mia. And one day, the big wind threw a magazine right onto the gate at the orphanage. I reached out and I grabbed it. And I saw something. This amazing creature, this person I've never seen before. She was on her tippy toes and in this beautiful pink costume. But what really struck me the most was the fact that she looked so happy. I hadn't been happy in a long time. So I thought to myself, if she's happy because this is what she's doing, then maybe I could be happy too someday. I had to be this person, I just had to be in order to become something. So I ripped the cover off the magazine and I put it in my underwear because I had nowhere else to put it. But soon my life would turn around. I would find out that I was going to get adopted by an American family. But then I saw her. The lady in the bright red shoes. With the bright white hair, I've never seen anything like it before. She was my new mama. She reached out and said, "I'm your new mama." She grabbed my hand and my best friend's hand and walked us away. I was getting adopted with my best friend. I didn't speak any English, so I thought about the only way I could show her was to show her the magazine. I took it out of my underwear and I showed her, and she understood right away. She said, "You will dance." When I got to the US, I started taking ballet classes. My mom drove me every single day. I went to class once a week, twice a week, and then eventually by the time I was 10 years old, I was dancing 5 times a week. I worked as hard as I possibly could because I had to be this ballerina. It was the only way for me to be happy. And then finally, my hard work paid off. I got accepted into a professional ballet company. I had become the ballerina that I've always dreamt of. But the reason why I'm here today, the reason why I'm telling you my story is because I want to encourage young people to aspire to dream. I want people to understand that it is okay to be different. It is okay to stand out. I'm different. And I want you to understand to believe in yourself, to believe that you have talent even if you don't think you do. No matter what circumstances you are under, no matter how poor or how sad you are at any given moment, believe. And dare to dream. Dare to push boundaries, dare to be different, dare to stand out, and all above. And last but not least, don't be afraid of living and loving. My name is MICHAELA DePRINCE. My original name is Mabinti Bangura, and I was born in Sierra Leone, West Africa in 1995.